What's up, guys? Just wanted to make a little video and talk about carrying a firearm on a motorcycle. I just wanted to kind of start a discussion and bring up what some of my thoughts were with regards to carrying on a motorcycle and see what some of your guys' thoughts were. Obviously, gun law is very widely based on where you live, and that's going to affect what you can and can't do, and probably some of your decision making with regards to carrying on a motorcycle. Here in Utah, you can conceal carry. It used to be you just needed a concealed carry permit, and then I believe last year they passed a law a few years ago. I believe it went into effect last year though, where you don't need a permit to conceal carry anymore. Without a permit though, you still have to be 2 steps away from firing. So you can't carry one in the chamber, which in my opinion, you may as well carry a hammer at that point. So I have my permit. I've had it for a little over 5 years now. I conceal carry almost everywhere I go. I strongly recommend concealed carrying, definitely, if you're able to. And I like concealed carry more than open carry for a lot of reasons. One, because if you conceal carry, you can carry one in the chamber. You don't have to be 2 steps away from firing. 2, open carrying can kind of paint yourself as a target to other people. I also think open carrying can make people around you uncomfortable, people who aren't super familiar with guns and don't have a lot of experience around them. I think open carrying can kind of make people a little nervous, a little uncomfortable. They might feel a little awkward around you. So I like concealed carrying better than open carrying. And lately my go-to everyday carry gun is a SIG P365 XL. I actually got the NRA edition, so it comes in the Coyote Brown. Came with an extended 15 round mag, 2 12-round mags. I don't know if the regular 365 XL comes with these, but mine came with a milled slide for an optic, tritium night sights. I love the gun. I checked all my boxes: flat trigger, striker fire. I like that my pinky can still fit on the mag well without an extended mag. I liked how slim it was. So just checked all my boxes. It shoots super smooth. Highly recommend that gun. But yeah, like I said, I've been carrying for over 5 years now. Carried a few different guns. But yeah, the importance of carrying was honestly reinforced to me a few months ago with the Uvalde shooting. I believe that was in May. It just really reinforced that, you know, my safety is up to me. I can't rely on the police to come save me. And even if the police do show up, you can't exactly rely on them to do anything. So yeah, as far as concealed carrying on a motorcycle goes, nothing for me really changes. I have the same thought process and I keep the same considerations when I'm carrying on a motorcycle versus carrying, you know, just in other parts of my life. I personally, 99% of the time, I side carry, 4 o'clock position. I'm right-handed, so I strong side carry. I've seen some people online suggest that when you're carrying on a motorcycle, you don't want to have to draw with your strong side. You want to be able to draw with your weak side across body. That way you can apparently still hang on to the throttle and shoot with your left hand. I don't know what kind of action movie shit you guys are anticipating doing while you're on your motorcycle, but I think that's one of the stupidest things I've ever heard of. If I'm in a dangerous situation that I need to respond to while I'm on my motorcycle, I don't have a choice. I'm using my throttle first and getting out of there. I'm not taking the time to draw, aim, and try and fire. That's absolutely insane to me. I don't know how anyone's planning on reholstering their weapon while they're riding, especially if they have to shift up or down. Like I said, that's just some of the stupidest shit I've ever heard of in my life. So I always still strong side carry. I don't consider having to drop my weapon while I'm riding at all. That's absurd. And not to mention, when I'm riding somewhere, typically I have a destination. I'm going to be getting off my motorcycle at some point. When I'm off my motorcycle, I want my weapon where I want it, where it's most comfortable for me to draw from and use. I've also seen people suggest off-body carrying, like in the saddlebags or something. It's better than not carrying at all, but I personally don't like that. I like to have control of my weapon at all times. Saddlebags, even these hard ones on this bike, I don't think they're super secure. They're definitely not as secure as like a car trunk or anything. I like to have my weapon on me. Plus, if I get to where I'm going or I'm leaving, I don't like having to transfer it on and off the body in public. That's just a bad idea. It makes people uncomfortable. Makes you look suspicious. Plus, if you're keeping it in your saddlebags or something, you get into an accident. Plastic saddlebags can shatter really easily. So I just don't like the idea of carrying in saddlebags. Oh, it's a puppy. Hi, puppy. Yeah, so like I said, I like keeping the gun on the body. One thing that I've seen some people mention to think about is to just be conscious of where on your body you're placing your gun. You know, putting it up against bones if you get into a wreck might cause some serious injuries. Now, I've seen some people suggest that, but the thing is, motorcycle crashes are so dynamic and everyone is so different that it's hard to plan for that. I don't know that there's necessarily a good way to wreck on a motorcycle. Yeah, so I really like side carry. I like the 4 o'clock position. I don't really like appendix carry. It's just way too uncomfortable to me, especially while I'm sitting down. You know, there's motorcycle vests that actually have purpose-built concealment pockets in them that people have used. I know some people that like the shoulder straps so you can carry. I personally don't like that. I sweat way too much for that. Another great alternative, if you don't give a crap what people think about you, is the purpose-built fanny packs that are made specifically for concealed carrying a firearm. If you don't mind having a fanny pack on you, those can be a great option as well. Yeah, those are just some of my thoughts. I really want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments if you carry on your motorcycle and how you carry, what sort of things you consider. I'd love to hear what some other people think. Also, let me know what you guys like to carry, what kind of guns you guys are carrying. I always like talking about guns and I like hearing what other people think. But yeah, man, it's just been a minute since I made a video. I just wanted to get out and talk about some stuff. So anyway, until the next one, guys, I'll catch you later. Peace.